After we got the 400, I said, I guess I'll have to go hunting Hayabusas, but it was just a joke. Friday night after work, just enough time to get in the door, grab my gear, and head right back out. Kind of a last minute call to go for a ride in the evening. I almost passed it up, but I figured I've been passing them all up this year, so time to get out. I do not trust the chain on the ZX-10 though, so it's a 400 night, which is okay because this bike is a blast. Haven't ridden it in a while and haven't got to hear the Hindle for a while. I technically still have 2 minutes to make it here. Plenty of time. I'm super early by my standards. God damn it. I thought for sure there was an entrance back here. There's an entrance if I make an entrance. Could have swore there was an entrance back there.
For your bike ramped it a while ago, then he took off.
Yeah, I didn't ramp it, but I took it. I'm like, whatever, there's an entrance if I say there's an entrance.
So you must have got gas like last month or something.
No, I got it just before I came here because we got it 2 months ago. Oh! Kaufman's.
Noisy bike.
Mine don't sound quite like that.
Way too loud. I might just not even have pipes on it.
Oh, riding with a Busa and a 14. That's a pretty fair comparison, right? A couple of years back, I passed the GSX-R 1000 in the back roads with Tracy's 250. After we got the 400, I said, I guess I'll have to go hunting Hayabusas, but it was just a joke. Last weekend, while Steven was out riding with his motard with us on a bunch of sport bikes, he mentioned just how damn important momentum is to him. You can't afford to lose any in the turns, or you're certainly not going to make it up in the straights. I'm getting a feel for that tonight. Obviously, this car noticed a few bikes in his mirror. See what happens around here. Finally getting away from a little bit of traffic. Oh, wait, never mind. Lots of cows. Out tonight. That's a nice night out on the water. I pin this thing wide open, I don't think I can get it over 10 liters per 100 kilometers. Always seem to catch traffic right in the fun sections, Notice something a little odd whenever I shift. If I'm really high up in the rev range and I shift hard, usually without the clutch, the bike will actually rev up a little bit, almost like the clutch was slipping, but it's not. I can tell this, it's not what's going on. If I had to bet, I'd say it has something to do with this slipper clutch, slipper assist clutch, whatever they like to call it. It's like just for a split second after you break torque and shift, it over revs just a little bit. Because if I'm wide open on it, it won't do it. See, it just did it when I shifted to 6 with no clutch. But then it locks right back up and it doesn't slip anymore. And if I just pin it in a high gear, at high RPM, it won't do it. It will not slip. I really think it's that. Slipper clutch. I think when you break torque, it might kind of open up a little bit. Then when you really get back on it, then it clamps down for the assist portion of it. All right, guys. I'll see you in a minute. I'm not going to get out here and pretend that I can keep up with, 13 and 1400 cc bikes in a straight line, especially. I'd be just beating the piss out of Tracy's bike for no reason. Road now. The road getting here is kind of boring, but it's worth it. Bump sides. Don't want to see no more of that. Momentum, like Steven said. Some sections here where the straight line speed picks up, but like I said, I don't feel like just revving the bag off this thing for no reason. Got to stop soon and clean up some bugs, or I'm not going to be able to see out of this windscreen. That is cow shit. Wow. Just in time. I really need to clean some bugs. Oh, Jesus Christ, Al's knee must have gave out or something.
What's going on here? Who's got no grip? You're going too slow.
I seen something slipping. I'll get on the other side so we don't Hulk Hogan it here. Oh. Yeah, that's one save there.
These things got no grip on them. Oh, yeah. They just push it. You get them here a little bit here. But
Hello? Hey. Well, near Rexton. We just kind of stopped here.